Hi, good morning guys. Just now I get up. It is 8 o'clock and it's Sunday. So I'll be making breakfast, which is banana fritters. Actually in Philippines this is just a snacks. But here I love it for breakfast. So what the ingredients we require for this banana fritters are we of course we need 6 bananas, 1 cup of milk, fresh milk or evaporated milk. What I have is I have fresh milk, so I'll be using fresh milk. And then you'll be needing 1.5 vanilla extract, or if you don't have vanilla essence, it's okay. The same will work just fine. And you need 1 egg. You need 1/4 of granulated sugar. Same that what you are using for your coffee or tea. Same, but it's depend of you how much do you need. But I only required 1/4 because the banana is already sweet. Then we require all-purpose flour, which is 1 cup we need for this, and a cooking oil, of course, and a salt, one half teaspoon of salt. So now I'll show you the steps. So now I have here 1 cup all-purpose flour, and then next to this we have to peel the ripe banana. Actually, I've done earlier the 5. I already removed the skin. Now I have to do the last one. We have to do this. And then after this we have to smash. I don't have I am only using a fork just to smash, because anyway my banana is already ripe, so it is just easy to smash. There's also other ways, guys. Actually, you can also boil your banana then smash, but since mine it's already ripe, I don't have to do that. So this you have to smash, just smash. Okay guys, now I already smashed my banana. It's done. And now we have to whisk the egg. We have to beat the egg. I'm just using my fork. Just use my fork. I think this will be fine. Then I have to pour in the all-purpose flour, 1 cup. I have to put it in. And now we have to mix them. To mix, you have to put 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Then sugar, 1/4 of sugar. And then you have to put half teaspoon of salt. Then put the 1 cup of milk, fresh milk or evaporated milk. Then we have to whisk it. Whisk. You have to make sure that it is mixed well. No lumps. Should be now it's done. Smooth now, as you can see. Now we have to add our vanilla extract or vanilla essence. 1.5 teaspoon. Sorry guys, sorry. Teaspoon. Then we have to mix. To mix again. Then we have to add our smashed banana. The smashed banana we have to add. Then we have to blend them very well. So just we keep stirring this. Now I have finished mixing the banana and the flour. So now this is ready to fry. Now this is okay, ready to fry. And now I have here a pan. So we have to put oil on the pan. Oh no, my pan is hot. You just put oil. Just put oil. Then put our banana. I don't have a scoop, guys, so I'm just using this with the help of the spoon. So guys, I just put 3. You don't have to overcrowd your pan, so it's easy to flip it over. So let's wait until the other side get golden brown. So now guys, it's cooking. So now we have to flip it over. We have to do it slowly, guys, because oil is very dangerous. So I'm doing it slowly. And the other one. Slowly, guys. We don't want to burn ourselves. Okay? Now it's cooking. Yes. Finish what's in your mouth. And now I have here a plate and a kitchen towel. So after this, I can put in the plate to absorb the excess oil. So I normally use this kitchen towel, guys, especially if I'm frying. So now we have flip it this again to check if it's cooked. Flip it again. Now it's ready. It's cooked. Now we have to remove it from the pan. So now we put it here on the plate. See? Looks very nice, guys. I hope tastes good also. Then for this, guys, I have a sugar here on the plate. So what you do, this you have to dip it in the sugar. Just enough to coat. Just coat little bit. So pour it on the plate. To put this on the plate. Another one. So now this is how it looks like after dipping on the sugar. So this is banana fritters. Filipino snack dish. But guys, when you cook, you have to always keep checking on your flame. You keep on adjusting so your fritters doesn't get burned. And now my second batch is ready. Now we have to take this out. It's all cooked. So we have to remove this. Our second batch. Okay guys, I have finished my banana fritters. This is how it looks like. And nice.